A city alive with history, charm, and a whole lot of heart. But what truly makes Jackson special is its people.
We're proud to call Jackson home.
A place where everyone feels welcome.
We believe in celebrating diversity.
País de costumbres y tradiciones, hoy se vive la bella, vibrante energía en nuestro pueblo de Jackson. Que el desfile internacional nos permite mostrar nuestros bellos platillos típicos, tradiciones y costumbres. Hoy representamos nuestros bellos colores que nos representan, Guatemala.
जैक्सन विविधता को एक जीवंत टेपेस्ट्री की तरह संजोए समेटे हुए है। इस उत्सव में हमें भारत के रंगों, स्वाद और कहानियों को साझा करने में गर्व है, जो इस शहर के सामाजिक ताने बाने को समृद्ध करता है।
ジャクソンの和やかな雰囲気は日本の和の精神を体現しています。このフェスティバルでは日本の芸術や伝統を紹介することができ、街全体の美しさに貢献しています。
El espíritu acogedor de Jackson nos recuerda la calidez de Honduras, compartiendo nuestras deliciosas baleadas, música garífuna y tradición en el festival fortalece el tapiz de cultura dentro de la ciudad.
Ang fiesta dito sa Jackson ay nagbibigay ng pagkakataon para maibahagi ang diwa ng aming kultura, tradisyon at iba-ibang pagkaing Filipino sa iba-ibang nasyon. Ang mga Filipino ay masiyahin, matulungin at mapagbigay.
Orgullosamente representando México aquí en el Festival de Jackson, Tennessee.
La calidez de Jackson nos recuerda a la casa en México, compartiendo nuestra comida, música y tradiciones aquí en el festival. ¡México!
Und wie in Jackson wird auch in Deutschland Tradition und Fortschritt großgeschrieben. Während des Festivals feiern wir unsere Herkunft und die der anderen Kulturen, die hier in Jackson eine aktive und dynamische Gemeinschaft bilden.
杰克逊多元化的社区启发了我们。
在节日中，我们会分享书法、舞蹈以及团结的精神，
庆祝拥抱来自不同文化的美丽。
International Art and Food Festival allows the world to come to Jackson, and that's just a great opportunity for all of us.
Education celebrates diversity and helps us communicate with people from all backgrounds.
The festival allows us to appreciate our values and traditions that make us unique.
Celebrating our community's diversity enriches our education and makes us proud of where we live.
It helps me connect what I learned in school.
The festival teaches that even we come from different countries and different places, but we share more similarities than differences.
It opens our minds to new possibilities.
We are trying to build globally and culturally aware students, and so having that interaction with the festival that also has that mission, I think, really makes our ideas come full circle.
Everybody there, the event was extremely thrilling.
Pull people to show the unity in our community, how everybody, works together, plays together, eats together, and there's just so much great things are happening, especially when everybody comes together in such a great organization and great fun event.
Local artists and craftsmen are showcasing their wares, and these are people from our local community.
So when you come meet a new friend. Come with the attitude, I'm not coming just to eat, but the food is wonderful. Just come and make some new friends.
A year-round celebration really in Jackson of our cultural diversity and how we can again be stronger together and celebrate that strength and diversity.
Join us this September for the 10th anniversary of the Jackson International Food and Arts Festival.
Thank you, Jackson and West Tennessee.